This is how to get Hugging Face API key. Start by going to huggingface.co and clicking your profile icon up in the top right. From the drop-down, hit Settings. Look for Access Tokens in the left sidebar. That's where all the API key stuff lives. Hit the plus icon next to create new token. You'll see three main options pop up. Fine-grained gives you control over specific permissions, which honestly most people don't need right away. Read access lets you pull models and data sets, but nothing else. Write access means you can upload and change things too. Give your token a name that makes sense. I usually go with something like main project or just test. Now here's where it gets interesting. Repository permissions basically control what you can do with model files. Inference permissions are different. That's about actually running the models through API calls. Most of the time, you want both. There's a bunch of other permission types scattered around. Webhooks if you're doing automation stuff. Collections for organized model groups. Discussion permissions for community features. Billing lets you see what you're spending. Jobs permissions handle training runs. You can also set specific permissions for individual repositories if you need different access levels for different projects. The organization section only matters if you're working with a team account. Otherwise, just skip it. Once you've picked your permissions, click Create Token. Here's the important part. When that pop-up shows your token, copy it immediately. This is literally the only time you'll see the actual key. Miss this step and you're starting over. After copying, double-check the permissions look right, then hit Done. Back on the main tokens page, you'll see your new token listed with whatever name you gave it. The three dots next to each token let you edit permissions later, generate a new key with the same name, or delete it completely. The whole process takes maybe 2 minutes, but getting those permissions right the first time saves headaches later.